Lakini huyu mama ni gaidi, sawa?
Okay, Bwana DCI.
Endelea.
This is what I want to say about this case.
Yes.
According to how you had my investigation, shortly investigation here. So this is what I've come to realize, that in a bit, in this case, I think Mazuri, the side of it, he knows something. But I will not say like he knows something bad or good. I cannot judge.
Yes.
But I will put it in this way. That despite all, we have to sanitize Mazuri. Because Mr. DCI Oscar,
yes,
as we are talking right now, I think you know what I'm undergoing.
Yes, I know.
And the painful I'm in right now is because of a friend. A person whom I trust much. And I gave all my secrets to is the person who betrayed me. And now my sister, she's in grave because of a friend, because of a colleague. Now, I trust Mazuri. I am not saying that because I don't trust Mazuri.
Yes.
I trust Mazuri so much because he has been a good person and he has been a good, a role model unto the communities, different people.
Okay,
kindly, please, can you allow me to give a point? So, despite that, his name is being involved in this scene. I will not take it that much serious. But before we conclude, we first sanitize Mazuri and know whether the story is true or not.